The Home Business Academy has been around for almost 10 years now. And the question still needs to be answered. Is it still worth joining it? So stay tuned and pay attention because I'm about to go in depth with how I feel about the Home Business Academy and if it's even still worth getting into. Hey guys, Mark Dayton here from dadfreedomhustle.com, and today I just want to talk to you guys about the Home Business Academy. So I used to do marketing way back in the day, and there's a company called the Home Business Academy, and it was run by these two guys who I was in a previous system with. So of course I checked it out and I loved it. But then things started to happen marketing wise for me personally in life, and I stopped doing marketing. But then I would continue to consider it. And every single time that I would get back into marketing, I would always gravitate towards getting into the community over at the Home Business Academy. Every single time, even if I didn't even build anything or, was actually doing marketing, there's something about the Home Business Academy community that just drew me in. Like I had to be part of it. Even if I wasn't marketing it, I had to be part of it. And I think that speaks volumes because community in all parts of our lives is super important. But there's just something magical, something powerful about being in a community of like-minded people, all entrepreneurs, all online marketers, and people who are trying to better themselves as a whole, as a group. And there's like no competition within it. It's all edifying and beautiful. So with that being said, let me go into more details about what the Home Business Academy actually is. So the Home Business Academy is a membership website where you get tools, training, an all-in-one digital business if you choose to go that route, and a community. So the first product that we have is called Let's Go, and it's often marketed as the $10 miracle app. And that's because this is an app that even you could show it to your uncle who's never done marketing, doesn't care about marketing, and it could change their life. Because with this app, you're able to become a better version of yourself with goal setting, habit tracking, journaling, affirmations, all of it together in this one beautiful looking app where you get to grow and set goals and better yourself and earn money along with it. So the Let's Go app is my number one favorite product that I use and pay for. And it's truly something that has helped me, someone who is not very disciplined, someone who is not really growing personally. Like once I got into this app, everything started to shift for me. And the reason is because it's literally designed using psychology to make you become a better version of yourself. So that's the first product. That is a $10 a month app, and it pays you $8 a month residual if you refer it to a friend. So that means with your second sale, you're not only getting your app for free, you're actually making money. So that's beautiful. The next product we have is the Funnel Builder. The Funnel Builder. Oh my Lord. So when I was fully back into marketing, I wasn't marketing HBA yet. I was using HBA's Funnel Builder to build everything else that I was doing. I mean, from Warrior Plus products, JV Zoo products, other business opportunities, I always, and I mean that, always use the HBA Funnel Builder because it's $25 and you could compare it to the higher end stuff like ClickFunnels or Go Higher Level or whatever that one's called, right? And it has everything a marketer needs to generate leads, to keep up with your leads, and also turn leads into sales. Like it has everything. You build membership sites. You could create your own product within it, and it's still only $25 a month. So with that product, it's my bread and butter. It's my favorite thing ever because one thing that's important to say is sometimes the home business world can feel a little bit boring. So a lot of times people seek out joining a new business opportunity just to get that spark again. But with a funnel builder, all you have to do is build a new funnel, and it will rejuvenate that excitement that you had when you first started doing online marketing. So that's a $25 a month product, and it pays you $20 a month residual. Again, second sale, it's not only free, but you're making money. You're in profit. The 80% commission game is amazing to me. Then the third product is our premium traffic and conversions. Now this product is like the nuts and bolts. Like, how are you going to generate leads? All these cool different ways, whether you want to go free or go paid, whether you want to do a Facebook or you want to go video, you want to do a blog. They have all the training in one spot that teaches you exactly how to generate leads and how to convert leads into sales and grow your team or just grow your sales in general. But also something it has, which is just so unheard of in this industry, is Monday through Friday, we have a live Zoom. It's an over your shoulder type of thing. And it's with verified 6 and 7 figure earners in the industry. And we literally get to go watch them do what they do. We get to watch them do their marketing and see what's working now. And the cool part is at the end of every session, we could pick their brains. We could ask them questions. We can figure out like, hey, I'm kind of stuck with this and I can't figure out what to do next. You ask there, and you'll have people, veterans in this industry, telling you, hey, this is how you fix it. Hey, this is what you should do next, right? So that is our third residual product. That's $125 a month, and it pays you $100. So again, second person that you refer and they upgrade, guess what? You're not only getting it for free, but you're making money. And that is the goal, is to get people in profit as quickly as possible. So many of these other things, they just pay such little commissions, right? Or the ones that pay bigger commissions, they tend to be really almost gimmicky, and it's not really there to help you. It's to help the person that created that product, right? And to build their brand and build their name. So that is the third residual product. So right there we have $128 a month you can make off of one customer, $128 a month. So that is the lineup. And obviously, to go back to the first question that I asked, is it worth it? Dear Lord, is it worth it? It's amazing. And with inside the app, because now everything is in the app for us, we actually have a social platform. So instead of using Facebook groups, which is what, the old way of doing it, is now everybody, even if you're just using our app, you have access to the social community where you get to ask questions, where you get to grow with people. You could ask some personal development questions and marketing questions and just share your wins, and you get to see all these people doing it. And it's just the most incredible, beautiful community and system that I've ever been part of. And we actually do have another product. It's called the Financial Literacy Academy, where it goes super detailed about budgeting, about getting out of debt quicker, about investing, about how to make more money in your life. That doesn't include online marketing or joining other businesses. It just shows you real life tactics and routes to go so that you can make more money. And that is a one-time product payment, and it's kind of like our high ticket one. But anyways, all that to say, guys, is I struggled a lot when I was starting marketing. I was joining business after business, following promise after promise, hype after hype. And it was so ironic because I was using HBA that whole time. It was right in front of me. And then once I decided to plug in to everything they had to offer and started marketing it, my life changed. Like, I have a high residual income. I'm making money. Like, I'm in the profit zone. I have a nice cushion. I don't have to pay for any business expenses. It's incredible. So yes, even in 2025, the Home Business Academy is my #1 recommendation. And if you want more information about that, just check the description for the link. But anyways, guys, I hope this was helpful. And as always, stay blessed.